How to make sense on the overwhelming amount of information on sustainable packaging to take informed decisions. How to manage the growing complexity to ensure that you are not missing a critical opportunity or threat early enough. How to make the right choices for your future packaging. These are three challenges that you may face as a packaging or mature professional dealing with sustainability, innovation, or development. I'm Rafael Mestanza, co-founder of Impact, and today I'd like to explain how digital intelligence ecosystems can help you in becoming more anticipatory or real-time informed to support your decisions. If you have never heard about us, I suggest you to watch our video titled Impact in a Nutshell or visit our website. Before showing example, let me first further develop on the top challenges observed at your peers. The first one is the number of stakeholders to watch, such as suppliers, customers, competitors, startups, regulation, NGOs, and much more. These represent an ecosystem containing a constellation of organizations and influencers. Any move or announcement at any of these stakeholders can impact your decision or disrupt your activities. The second one is the high pace of change. There is a lot of frenzy out there, mainly driven by the sustainability race engaged by major brands. Every week we discover new voluntary targets from a brand, a new consumption, initiatives, partnerships, startups, and more. For this reason, it is critical to understand all these dynamics to stay on the top of the wave and to identify the right partners earlier. The next one is the volume of information published per month. This is huge. The chart here shows the number of worldwide publications in March 2021 talking about topics such as recycling, bioplastics, plastic substitution, and more. As you can see, more than 60,000 documents are posted every month in English only. With such numbers, extracting actionable insights using manual methods becomes an impossible task even with an army of analysts. And then comes the fourth challenge, unadapted practice. We see very often organizations lacking on resources and time and not having a structured processes in place to monitor all the sustainability dynamics. Consequently, they are missing opportunities and threats. So how to solve this tricky equation? To illustrate this, I will show how we support a brand owner in food and cosmetics. You see here Insight Explorer, our solution capable of scanning more than 200 million web and media sources to generate unique analytics and extract findings. You can connect to it anytime with an ID and a password. The page here is called a dashboard, and the topic is bioplastics in packaging. It contains a series of analytics called widgets. All these widgets are interactive and clickable to access the content. This is what we call the dataset. As you can see here, it contains 20,000 documents published over the last 3 months. The valleys represent the weekends and the peaks are typical buzz. This dataset has been obtained through a series of search queries that look like sophisticated Google searches or SQL requests if you are familiar with databases. You can easily adjust the time frame by clicking here. To help you navigating in this set of information, the system generates for you instantaneous analytics. As an example, you see here the media mix like blogs, online news, social media, magazine, and more. Or you can filter the information by the language if you want. More interesting, you can see the mix per country in this map, giving a real-time view of the publication worldwide. We see here that US and Europe are the top principal clusters. By clicking on any of these bubbles, you can access all publications in a specific country or even a state. Let's take India, for example. You get access to all publications from India, and you even drill down to generate new analytics. On the left side of the screen, you can access different sections. This one can be tailored to your specific needs. For example, let's go on one called Hot Topics here. It slices the information by business dynamics such as supply chain, innovation, MA by analyzing the text. If you want to understand which brand or company are mentioned or involved in bioplastics in food packaging, for example, we have algorithms capable of detecting them automatically. Once again, all these widgets are interactive and you can deep dive in a specific topic if you want. The last example of analytics I'd like to show is trends and topics, extracting the main combination of words and expressions. The size of the text here is proportional to the frequency across the different sources of information. This can be very useful to capture the pulse of the moment as an example. So far, I've been showing the digital part of the process. In order to extract the essence, we involve an expert to tag the most relevant articles as opportunities, threads, top articles, and more. To do that, the resources was provided by Impact, but it could have been provided by your organization if you have one in place. Doing this continuously, we could generate dynamic analytical dashboards such as SWOT, for example. I'm showing here one on recycling of multilayer films that we animate for a flexible packaging company. You can see here the main opportunities and threats detected by our analysts and from where they are coming from. As you can see here, the section menu is very different and again tailored to your specific needs. If I'm diving into opportunities, we have designed a specific template containing tailored analytics and the list of detected opportunities. This dashboard is available anytime and can be shared every week or every month to your key stakeholders in different formats by email or other. That's it for today. I hope that this short demo was inspiring for you. If you're interested to learn more about us, you can watch more videos on our YouTube channel, or you can visit our website to download case studies or to book a personalized demo with us. You enjoyed this video? Please do me a favor by sharing it to any person concerned within your organizations. Thanks for staying tuned as more videos are coming.